Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this tutorial today I'm going to quickly show you how to add Visa gift card to Nintendo Switch. So let's get into the video. So if you want to add your card or use your gift card on Nintendo Switch, so first get to the Nintendo Switch site. So like go to their site and then log into the website. So open up your account. So log into your account. Once you've done that, so if you want to add your card, so you need to make a purchase so that you can go for the checkout session. So just add something to your card. So I'll add this item to my card just for demo, and then I'm going to hit on secure checkout so that I can get to the payment option. So hit on secure checkout. So add something to your card and then go to the checkout session. And then when you get to the checkout session here, you should see just wait for this to load. It might take some time. So once this loads, so what are you going to do now? Okay, so just have to re-enter the password just for security reasons. So just did that. Okay, and then once we get to the checkout session here, so that's my checkout session hopefully. So just waiting for this to load. All right, okay, so here when you get to this checkout session here, so as usual just type in your name details and all those address and all those things that you normally do for when you purchase. Hit on continue to payment. All right, okay, so type in your shipping details and all those information like how many you normally do for online purchase. Hit on continue to payment. So this is where we're gonna get to the payment section, so click on it. All right, so now when you get to this checkout session here, so simply scroll down under payment details. So here what you can do, so you can see if you want to use your Visa card, you can simply select the credit card option and then type in your Visa card details here and then hit on purchase. Just make sure that your Visa card is activated and you have sufficient funds for this to be successful. And that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another